Hey guys, it's Sandra. Welcome back to another video. So today, as you guys can see from the title, we are going to be opening up some Michael's Craft Store grab bags. This is my first year ever getting these, so I'm so excited to see what's in these grab bags. As I can see, already from the start, two of the grab bags are these. These are tie-dye kits, and they are perfect for gifts and stuff like that. Hey kids, calm down.
I'm trying not to get Petunia open the bag.
No, Petunia, don't do that, okay? So these are perfect for like gifts for a young girl, because it has like the whole entire kit in there, as you can see. And yeah, only $4. Not go wrong. Next is, we're gonna open this one.
Ooh.
So as I can see right off the bat, there's a lot of baking stuff in here. Okay, we got these cookie cutter set. This is $5. Okay, you guys cut it out. This is $5 regularly, and I know Michael's is usually always has like their things on sale, or you can use coupons and stuff, but to have like a one bag be $4, that's even better. So we're gonna start off with these. And also, no, I am not gonna keep all of this to myself. I'll probably end up giving some of it away to like friends and family if they can use it. So yeah, I just thought it'll be awesome to get some stuff for myself, and $4 a bag ain't bad. So like I said, $5 for those. We also got two of these silicone molds. These are regularly $5 each. These ones are like a llama with like presents on the back.
No.
Leave her alone, Junior. Stop it. And these ones have snowflakes on them. Look at Brie. Look.
Whoa. See?
Yeah. Okay. Next. Next is going these toys. You can tell like they were like thrown all over the store. This one doesn't even have a tag. Look it. Somebody's already excited. And this one's a Santa Claus one. You can like squish it. This one, I don't know if it has anything inside. I think it does. Look, it has like, it looks like shaving cream. So these the kids will love. Here you go. Go play.
Yay!
Okay, so next is going this little snowman. I don't even know if he works. I don't think he works, but it's really cute. Also, we got these holiday Christmas Noel scented melt wax. What is the scent? Christmas Noel. Got those. And the rest of this thing has, well, it has a ribbon, one ribbon. The rest is cookie cutters, a bunch of different cookie cutters. We got a reindeer, a snowflake, a gingerbread man, another gingerbread man, another reindeer, a snowman, and last but not least, another gingerbread man. So, and then also we got a Christmas Noel basket. And you know what's crazy? This thing says $20 US dollars. Never in my life would I pay $20 for this basket that I could get at the 99-cent store for $1. So got all that in that one. So that's the first. Okay guys, so moving on to bag number 2. We got... Okay, but then you go over there. Put some pants on. Go put some pants. Bag number 2, we got... Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, but it's a little ruined. We're gonna have to fix this. It's a little poop emoji with the Santa Claus hat.
Oh my
And
goodness.
these were regularly going for like $15. I remember I seen them because I was not going to pay even half off, was $7.50 for them. So that's cute. We also got this, it feels like styrofoam ornament for the wall. This says US $25. I don't know who on earth would ever pay $25 for something like this. It has a little attachment on the back to hang on the wall. Super cute. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, cool. We got this little house. It's in somebody's hair. Nasty.
That's cool.
This little house. We can put this up next year. This retails for $40. Even 50% off, that still makes it $20. No. Next, we also got this other little tin house. I could even paint it all white instead of having red and white, but I don't think I'll mind them.
That's cool.
Retails for $20. We got 2 of these tinsel garlands. 2 of those. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these pop-up stickers. This is what they look like. So that was it for bag number 2. Okay guys, let's keep it going. Hopefully the kids are not too much of a distraction. The next bag we got more cookie cutters. So we got a glove now. A snowflake. Another glove. Another glove. Another glove. Another snowman. No, this is a gingerbread man. So we got a lot of cookie cutters. We got this little pick. Yep. She looks a little sad. We got this. This is cute. A little unicorn thingy. Like a unicorn pick. We got another unicorn pick. No, leave it there. We got this little wonky ass thingy that you can tell it's missing another ball. So that's pretty much, that's trash. And the only good thing out of this box or bag, I should say, a snowman, but is the house. These are really, really cute for decoration. No, Mommy, gotta close the door. You can't open it. It's cute.
Mommy, open the door. You
can't open the door. So I got this thing. So I got 3 houses so far. Cute, cute. Let's keep it moving. So this is the next one right here. And it's a basket with a lot of stuff in it. So we got, wait. We got more stickers. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 packets of these $3 stickers. Super cute, super cute. Let me see that, Brie. Thank you. We got this melt bead kit. I guess you melt them together to make something. Got this right here. We got these little notebooks. These are cute for like kids and stocking stuffers. Oh, the little pages inside. We got another little bead kit. This is memory match. Oh, okay, so it's got a memory match game. Cute. That's always, those games always come in handy during the holidays. Let It Snow. And it has stickers inside along with little cute pages. We got this glitter dough. It's already open. So I got this thingy right here. That's. We got a t-shirt cookie cutter or a sweater. We got a reindeer cookie cutter, a gingerbread t-shirt, another melt kit or bead kit, and we got 2 of these. These are for, they're called block tape. I think you set up your Legos on them.
I know before because I watched them on a video. These stick on things.
Yeah, they stick on the wall. You can put them like on a cabinet or something. So these are cool. And last but not least, what? I don't need that. Last but not least, another Santa Claus pan, but he's deflated. So got that. And of course, the little basket. This is really cute because these will come in handy during the holidays, especially if I make baskets for families. Got my basket already, and they're Christmas themed. Super cute. Okay, we're gonna get into this one. Let's see what's in here. So in that bag we have another one of these garlands. So we got 3 of those so far. 2 more of these llama little notebooks. We got 2 of these notepads. These are, oh, sticker books. Super cute. Got those. We got Let It Snow, another notebook. And 2 packs of Christmas cards, which these retail for $15 each. Even if they're half off, they'll be $7.50. And they're perfect for next year. Love them. And also too, we got, I don't know what kind of cookie cutter this was supposed to be. Maybe a tie, but I think it was probably like a snowman and it got squashed. So that, oh no, this is snowman. And then this one. And dum da da dum. We got another. Oh shoot, that piece broke off. Oh, it's still good. Another basket. Oh, this handle's broken. Maybe I'll cut this side off to make it as a gift for somebody. So I got 3 baskets. Cool, cool. So jumping into this bag, let's see what goodness we got in her. Dude, what's with these stickers? We got more of these stickers. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's 6, and in each pack comes 2. But all those stickers, we got this, what is this? Oh, mermaid house. I don't even know if this is complete. It looks like it was opened a little bit. I don't know. You make a mermaid house out of it. That. We got more of these melty bead kits. Oh, I love this one. This one's really nice. This white one, super cute. Has a hole. I think you could fit like a tea light candle in there. Like the electric ones you could turn off and on. So got this one. This house, super cute. We got another poop. This is so funny. This poop is so funny. We got 2 more garlands. And last but not least in that bag, I think that's last. Yep. We got Santa Claus of the styrofoam thingy-lingy.
Oh my goodness.
So this is pretty cool. So that's it for that bag. Okay, so last but not least is this one right here. Let's see what we got in here. So first we're starting off with this magnet of a unicorn. You could paint him. We have these jelly sticky thingies of penguins and candy canes. like a stick on the windows. We got more Christmas cards. Ooh, this is nice. We got when in doubt, add more tinsel. That's super cute. And of course, we got, you guessed it, cookie cutters. So this is this a cookie cutter?
I think that's stamp.
It's bakeware and something.
Is it stamp?
Like you push it. Okay.
I think that's a stamp.
It's not a stamp, but you could like imprint something on your baking.
Oh.
So for cookie cutters, we got another snowman, another sweater, a tree, a snowman, a snowflake, and last but not least, a sweater. And for this basket, it was, oh, like the other one?
Fourth one.
So that's this one right here. So these are super cute. This one's actually in great condition. So this is perfect to store them away for next year. So yeah, that's everything that I got in my Michael's grab bags. My first year doing this, and I think it's pretty awesome, especially because I could share other things with other people. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye!